Safety is everyone's business, and communication is the key to ensuring everyone's safety. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to No Aero. Today, in this video, we will discuss safety and its related hazard in the aviation environment. We will have a brief discussion on general safety when working on the aircraft or in an hangar. Then, we shall focus on the fire safety. So, let us get started. Keeping hangars, shops, and the flight line orderly, clean is essential to safety and efficient maintenance. The highest standard of orderly work arrangements and cleanliness should be observed during the maintenance of the aircraft. Everyone should watch for their own safety and also for safety of others working around them. Everyone should always communicate within themselves and remind each other to follow safety precautions. Here are some general safety precautions when working on a flight line. A flight line is a place of dangerous activity. Technicians who perform maintenance on the flight line must constantly be aware of what is going around them. The noise on the flight line comes from many places, especially from the aircraft. There are auxiliary power units, fuel trucks, baggage handling equipment, and so on. These noises on the ramp or flight line can cause hearing loss. Therefore, hearing protections must be used when working on a flight line. They can be external or internal, such as earmuffs or headphone types or earplugs. Safety measures to be observed when working around the aircraft, whether fixed or rotary wing, are as follows. Be aware of the running propellers and engines. Turbine engine intakes and exhaust can also be very hazardous areas. Be aware of the aircraft fluid that can be detrimental to skin. When operating support equipment around the aircraft, be sure to allow space between it and the aircraft and secure it so it cannot roll into the aircraft. When taxiing the aircraft, stay in sight of the pilot. Approach the helicopter in view of the pilot. Never approach the helicopter carrying anything with the vertical height that blades could hit. Never go from one side of the helicopter to another by going around the tail. There have been many deadliest incidents and accidents due to lack of safety around the aircraft. Earlier tragedies, investigations, and improved engineers has allowed many safety improvements that have allowed an increase in safer aviation. The objective of safety management in the aviation industry is to prevent human injury or loss of life and to avoid damage to the environment and to the property. Working with electrical equipment also possesses certain physiological safety hazards. It is known that when electricity is applied to a human body, it can create severe burns in the area of entrance and at the point of exit from the body. Two factors that affect safety when dealing with the electricity are fear and overconfidence. These are the two major causes of accidents involving electricity. When working with the electricity, any time current flows, whether during generation or transmission, a byproduct of that flow is heat. When this heat becomes too great, protective coatings on wiring or other electrical devices can melt, causing shorting, which leads to more current flow and greater heat. This heat can become so great that metals can melt, liquid can vaporize, and flammable substance can ignite. An important factor in preventing electrical fire is to keep the area around electrical work or electrical equipment clean, uncluttered, and free of unnecessary flammable substances. So that would be all for now. We shall continue with the fire safety in our next part of this video. If you find this video informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.